In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Hostinger and make some essential modifications to your website hosted at peachpuffshark254433. Hostingersite.com. Whether you're an experienced web developer or a beginner just starting out, understanding how to manage your web content is a key aspect of maintaining a successful site. So let's dive right into the process. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Hostinger homepage. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. It's always good to know where everything is before diving into deeper tasks. When you're ready, look for the Websites option on the main dashboard. Clicking on Websites will take you to a list of all the websites that you currently have under your management. This is where it all starts. Next, you'll need to access the admin area of your WordPress site. Look for the WP admin link, which serves as the gateway to managing the content and settings of your website. Clicking this link will redirect you to the WordPress admin login page of your site. You'll need to enter your login credentials here, so make sure you have those handy. Once logged in, you'll see the WordPress dashboard giving you control over posts, pages, appearance, and more. Now it's time to head over to the Edit Pages section. This is where you can make modifications to existing pages or add new ones to your website. This interface is particularly user-friendly, offering a clean overview of all the pages currently live on your site. If you're planning to make changes frequently, you'll find it helpful to bookmark this page for quick future access. The next step is creating a new page. You'll see an option labeled Create a New Page. Click on that. This will pull up a fresh, blank page template for you to start working with. Pages are a central part of organizing your content. So take a few moments here to consider what type of page you need. A landing page, a contact page, or perhaps a new blog section. In the title field on the new page, type in blog. This will be the heading of your new page and should reflect the content you plan to share. Remember, your title is often the first impression visitors will get of this section of your site, so make it descriptive and engaging. Lastly, don't forget to hit Save. It's a simple step, but crucial for making sure that the changes you've made are stored and published. Once saved, navigate back to your website to view the new page live. Take a moment to review how it looks and functions. It's always a good idea to double-check for any errors or things that might need revisions. And there you have it. You've just learned how to create a new page on your Hostinger site using WordPress. This foundational skill will not only help you manage content more effectively, but also improve your site's overall user experience. Thank you for tuning in, and happy website building.